480. That was my credit score, exactly 90 days ago. And if you don't know what that means, let me paint you the picture. I walked into a bank to apply for a small personal loan. The lady looked at her screen, looked back at me, and said, "I'm sorry, we can't help you." I tried to rent a new apartment. The landlord pulled my credit, called me the next morning, and said, "We went with another applicant." I applied for a credit card, just a basic one. Denied. I felt like the financial system had looked me in the eye and said, "You don't belong here." And here's the part nobody talks about. It doesn't just hurt your wallet, it hurts your pride. But today, right now, I'm going to share the exact 5 steps I took over 90 days that changed everything. No credit repair companies, no paying anyone a single dollar, just a plan, some patience, and information that should be free for every American. Let's go. Let me be real with you for a second. A lot of videos about credit scores jump straight to the tips and the tricks. But I think it's important that we sit with the pain for a moment. Because if you're watching this, you already know the feeling. And I want you to know you are not alone. Right now in America, nearly 1 in 4 adults with a credit record has what's called a subprime credit score. That means tens of millions of everyday Americans, hardworking people, are living with the same invisible wall I was crashing into every single day. And here's what really gets me. Having bad credit isn't just embarrassing, it's expensive. According to Bankrate, having a subprime credit score costs the average American around $3,400 per year in higher interest rates and fees. That's money coming straight out of your pocket, money that could have gone into savings, investments, or your family, just evaporating because of a 3-digit number. Let me tell you what my 480 looked like in real life. I was paying 29% interest on a credit card I had opened years ago when I didn't know any better. That means on a $2,000 balance, I was paying nearly $600 a year just in interest alone, not paying down debt, just feeding the bank. When I tried to finance a used car, not a new car, a used car, the dealer came back and told me the best rate he could get me was 18%. 18%! My neighbor with a 740 score got the same car at 5.9%. That's not a small difference. Over 5 years, the gap between those two interest rates was over $4,000. And then there was the apartment situation. I had a stable job, I had income, I could afford the rent, but the landlord ran my credit, and that 480 told a story I hadn't written but couldn't escape. They chose someone else. I stayed in a place I hated for another year because my options were limited. You know what the worst part is? I didn't even really know why my score was 480. I just let it happen. A missed payment here, a maxed out card there. I'd never been taught how any of this worked. Nobody in my family sat me down and explained credit scores. School didn't teach me. My first job didn't teach me. And here's something that shocked me when I finally did pull my credit report. Consumer Report found that 44% of people who check their credit report find at least one error on it. Not a mistake they made, an error the credit bureau made. That means almost half of us are being punished, paying more money, getting denied for loans because of someone else's mistake. That was the moment I stopped feeling ashamed and started feeling angry enough to actually do something. So I made a decision. I gave myself 90 days, 5 steps, and I went to work. All right, here we go. This is the actual plan. Write these down, screenshot the screen, whatever you need to do, because this information is genuinely life-changing, and it's all completely free. Step 1, pull your free credit report and hunt for errors. The very first thing I did was go to annualcreditreport.com. That's the only federally authorized site where you can pull your report for free from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. When I pulled mine, I found 3 errors, 3 accounts with wrong information. One was a collection I had already paid off years ago, still sitting there showing as unpaid. One had the wrong balance, and one account wasn't even mine. All 3 were dragging my score down. I filed disputes directly through each bureau's website. It cost me $0. Within 30 to 45 days, all three were corrected or removed, and my score jumped almost immediately. If you haven't checked your report in the last 12 months, stop this video right now, go do it, then come back. I'll wait. Step 2. Become an authorized user on a family member's card. This one felt almost too simple, but it works. I asked a family member, someone with a credit card that was 8 years old, always paid on time, low balance, to add me as an authorized user. Within 30 days, that entire 8 years of perfect payments appeared on my credit report. I didn't have to make a single purchase. I didn't even have to touch the card. Just having my name attached to a healthy account added instant credibility to my credit profile. Studies show that people with bad credit who become authorized users can see their score improve by up to 10% in the first 30 days alone. Step 3. Open a secured credit card. I opened the Discover It Secured credit card. No credit score required to apply. I put down a $200 deposit. That became my credit limit. I used it for one small automatic expense each month, my Netflix subscription, and paid it off in full every single month. This did two critical things. It showed the credit bureaus that I could handle credit responsibly, and it added a new positive payment to my file every 30 days. Step 4. Get my credit utilization below 10%. This is the secret most people never hear. Most financial advice says keep utilization under 30%, but the people with the best credit scores, 750 and above, keep it below 10%. Credit utilization is 30% of your entire FICO score. That means getting mine from 87% down to under 10% was like finding a cheat code. I stopped using my old card for anything. I made an extra payment mid-month to bring the balance down fast. Within 45 days, my utilization dropped and my score responded. Step 5. Set up Autopay and never miss again. Payment history is 35% of your credit score, the single biggest factor. Not utilization, not how many cards you have, payment history. So I went to every account I had, turned on Autopay for at least the minimum due, and then paid more manually when I could. No more forgotten payments, no more 30-day late marks destroying months of progress. This single habit, done consistently, is the foundation everything else is built on. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. Let me walk you through exactly what happened, month by month, because I think it's important you know this isn't magic. It's math, and the math works. Month 1, from 480 to 521, a 41-point jump. Honestly, I didn't expect it to happen this fast. The 3 errors I disputed were corrected at the end of week 4. The moment that paid-off collection was removed, boom, my score jumped 28 points overnight. Adding myself as an authorized user moved the needle another 13 points. I remember the morning I checked my Credit Karma app and saw 521. I screenshot it. I sat there for a full minute just staring at it. 41 points in 30 days, without paying a single dollar to anyone, without a credit repair company, just information and action. But here's what I want you to understand. I didn't celebrate too hard. I knew this was the beginning, not the finish line. I kept going. Month 2, from 521 to 579, another 58-point jump. Month 2 is where the secured card and the utilization drop started doing their work. My Discover It secured card had now reported 2 on-time payments. Clean. Perfect. My old card utilization was now at 9%. I had done the math and made an extra $180 payment specifically to get it under that magic 10% threshold. 58 more points. I want you to notice something. By the end of month 2, I had gone from 480 to 579. That's 99 points in 60 days, and I hadn't paid a single dollar to a credit repair service. Everything I did, every single step was free or required money I was already planning to spend. This is important because there are thousands of credit repair companies in America that will charge you between $50 and $150 per month to do what I just described to you in 5 steps.
save your money. Month 3, from 579 to 621, crossing into good credit territory. 621. I remember where I was when I saw that number. I was sitting in my car after work. I opened the app, and I literally said out loud to nobody, "We did it." Because 621 isn't just a number. It means lock 1 opened. I applied for an apartment again. This time, approved. No extra deposit, no awkward phone call. Lock 2 opened. I got approved for a car loan at 9.4% interest, down from the 18% I was quoted just 4 months earlier. On a $15,000 loan, that difference saves me nearly $2,500 over the life of the loan. Lock 3 opened. I was approved for an unsecured credit card with a $1,500 limit. No deposit, no security, just approved. And here's the part that really moves me. The chain reaction that starts when your credit improves isn't just financial, it's emotional. I stopped dreading my phone ringing. I stopped avoiding conversations about money with my family. I stopped feeling like the financial system wasn't built for someone like me. It is built for you. You just needed the map. And you know what? This is just month 3. I haven't even begun to see what's possible at month 6, month 12, year 5. Imagine what your number looks like 90 days from today, if you start right now. Because here's the thing I want to leave you with. The average American credit score right now is 715. That number is not out of reach for you. It is absolutely within your reach. I know because I watched mine move 141 points in 90 days, starting from a place most people would have given up on. You are not your credit score, but your credit score can reflect who you're becoming. Start today. Not Monday, not next month, today. If this helped you, hit subscribe. Drop your current credit score in the comments. No judgment, only support. Your transformation starts right now. I'm Dishku, and I'll see you in the next one.